Good morning, guys. I'm going to show you how to make a power booster coffee for early morning or throughout the day, whatever you like. So I'm using some coconut milk. I'm going to whisk that because the pan was hot. So I'm going to heat up this coconut milk. Let's turn it down a little bit. And then I'm going to add some goodness to it. So I'm going to add some lion's mane, which is for the brain. So there's a nice piece of lion's mane that I've got dehydrated. Here it snapped perfectly. It means it's perfectly dehydrated. Then I'm going to put in some turkey tail. And here that snapped too. Some turkey tail in there. So the lion's mane is for the brain. The turkey tail is for the immune system and the gut. So we're going to bust those little babies up. Those medicinal mushrooms. Stir this so that's busting. Some Nescafe. Alright, so that should be busted up nicely. I'm going to do it a little bit more. Smells delicious. This coconut milk smells so good. So I'm going to add a teaspoon of, I use the espresso powder. It's not really a coffee grain, it's more of a powder. See that? So I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of that in here. Actually, maybe 3. I like a strong coffee. I'm not a big coffee drinker, but when I drink it, I like it strong. So I'm going to whisk that around. Oh, that smells like coffee coconut. Wow. I'm going to add a little bit of cocoa. It's kind of messy. So like a nice heaping spoonful. That's about a tablespoon. A little over a tablespoon of cocoa. And whisk that around. I might as well put this on for another minute. Okay, so that's mixed up nicely, the cocoa and the coffee. Now I'm going to add some lion's mane and the turkey tail. Kind of, it's like puffy like this. That's the turkey tail. The lion's mane goes really powdery. The turkey tail goes a little puffy, but it seems to melt as soon as you put it into the hot liquid here. Okay, so I got that in there. And whisk that around. It seems to melt right up nice once you put it into the hot liquid, which is kind of strange, but that's what it does. So this is a power booster morning starter coffee right here. So I'm going to add some honey to it, but not until I take it off and put it into my cup. I'm going to add probably a couple teaspoons of honey to mine. You guys could smell this. It's like amazing. Here's what it looks like, guys. I'll pour some into a cup in a second. Actually, I poured it into my mason jar right here. So you can see how lovely it is. So creamy. Now that I have it in the mason jar, I will probably add my honey to it. Let's do that right now. Add a little honey to it. I use the Atlantic Gold honey, unpasteurized, the best. So this is a brain booster, immune booster, energy booster, morning coffee, and you don't have to add coffee to it. You could just stick with the cocoa and the medicinal mushrooms and some honey and the coconut milk. And that's it, guys. I'm just going to take a little taste here. Wow, that's so good. All right. Hope this helps somebody to be able to make some medicinal mushroom morning drinks or whenever out through the day.